Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the WORKPRO, their 20V cordless drill combo kit. A drill driver and impact driver. Comes with 20V 2 amp hour batteries for each of them. These are interchangeable. And a 1-hour fast charger. We'll show you how to use that. It's got status indicators on there. WORKPRO's been making some amazing tools for many years now, and this is no exception. These are excellent. So here's how the drill driver and impact driver is safely shipped to your door, all with nice foam and cardboard so that you get it in perfect condition. So it comes with 5 drill bits that you can use for the drill, and all these torque bits and flatheads and Phillip heads that you can use for the drill impact driver. So what's an impact driver? I think most of us know what a drill is. Let's go over this first. You notice it has this nice clip on here that you can dismount with the screw that's included, and it does have a status. Hit that button right there and it gives you the status of the battery. You push these both in, it allows you to slide it out like that and put it back in. Really nice. You can put this clip holder on either side, whatever, right-handed or left-handed. This is your basic drill with a lot of torque, and it has a really nice attachment on here with a quick release mount for your drill bits, and it has a torque settings. And as you can see, you can change the torques. So why would you want to change the torques? Let's say you're doing something that's more delicate, put it on the lower number, and then watch what happens. It just bypasses it. And as you go higher in number, it's harder to bypass. So that's great to save you from damaging screws, or even if you're drilling something more delicately. So this has a 2-speed clutch on here. It's got low and it has high, and also has a direction. Very simple. You just change direction like that. And it's also variable speed. You can go really slow either direction for precise drilling. And what I really love about this is that this bit right here, it goes all the way down to 0, so you can do small drill bits. You don't have to keep going to a specialized drill for that. Also notice that it has a really cool front light that helps light up the work when you're working. So you get everything you're going to need. It's very balanced and great drill. Now, what's the deal with something like this, with this impact driver? What does this mean? Well, I recently came across impact drivers. I've been doing a lot of work on my house over the years, and I had one many years ago, but I damaged it. But I decided to buy this one, and WORKPRO is great tools. And what this thing does is really interesting, is that as this rotates, you look at it, got the LEDs on there. As this is rotating, you can't hear it, but there's a little hammering action going on. So as this thing is spinning, it's got a slight hammer action. It goes both directions. And what that's doing, just like a hammer drill, which hammers this way, this is hammering radially. What that's doing is you take the given bit, let's just take one of the bits that's included, and you just pull it out like that, and it locks it in place. What this is doing as this is rotating is it's hitting that slight hammer in the rotational mass. So as you're pushing down on your torque bits, whatever you're doing, it's got impact in the rotational direction. And what that does is it allows you to put in drivers really easily, and it really makes a difference. You wouldn't believe it. So let's take a look at the features of this. It has the clip on there like the other one that you can put on either side. It has the battery like the other one that you can slide off, slide back on. Has battery status on there also, and it has front LEDs as I showed, and direction speed switch, and of course you can go really slow. Now it's hard to hear that hammering, but if you listen closely, you can hear when it first starts there's a slight hammering sound there. This has a really good grip, just like the drill. Feels really good. It's not overly heavy. I love the way this works. We're going to be giving some demonstrations of me driving some screws. I'm going to show you how nicely that works. I'm going to use this also to drill some holes in wood. Next, I'm going to show you how simple it is to charge this. So let's take a look at the charging. I plugged this cool looking green charger in. I have one of the WORKPRO 20V 2 amp hour batteries. I'm going to slide it on here just like that. And you see that it's blinking now. And what it's doing, it's charging that battery, and when that stops blinking, it goes solid green, then it's fully charged. Just that simple. So here I'm going to give you two examples. I'm going to drive two things. This is a Phillips head, very, very thick screw, and this is a very long screw that you might use on railings in your house. I would never use a drill to drive these because it wouldn't work. You could damage the drill or strip out the top. So first I'm going to use the bit that's included, and I'm going to drive this down. Now you're going to hear the impact sound when it reaches the resistance. So listen. You hear that sound? Look what it does. Totally drove it down perfectly. Now I'm going to change that bit to this bit right here that I have. And I'm going to show you this right here, which you never want to do with a drill. Quite easily. So that impact of this thing slamming that thing in 360 degrees, that's what you're hearing right now. That's what's giving the impact to drive that screw. And it works in reverse also, that if you're removing something, the impact also drives it out very quickly. Same thing here with this one, this Phillips head. Now let's take the WORKPRO cordless drill with the largest bit that's included. I'm just going to show you drilling quite easily. And that clutch went on because I had it on the low setting. Now if I go to the drill setting right there, perfect, drilled the holes perfectly. And that's a pretty large drill bit too. So after testing, what do I think about the WORKPRO, the 20-volt cordless drill combination kit with a drill driver and impact driver with the two 2.5-hour batteries, 1-hour fast charger. This is an excellent value. It comes with some of the bits you're going to need, the drills, the handle, the loops on here so you can put it on your belt either side. This is an invaluable tool to have, this impact driver. When you're pushing in and turning screws, this is the thing to get. This is an invaluable tool for drilling holes. So this combination has got you totally covered. I love this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.